Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the circle effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, open your Premiere Pro project and locate the clip you wish to modify in your timeline. This effect is incredibly versatile, allowing you to highlight specific areas or create unique visual styles. We'll cover everything from applying the basic circle to advanced customization, ensuring your videos stand out with professional-looking circular elements. Once your clip is selected, head over to the Effects panel, usually found on the left side of your workspace. Type circle into the search bar to quickly locate the effect. Then, simply drag and drop the circle effect directly onto your video clip in the timeline. You'll immediately see a default white circle appear in the center of your program monitor, ready for adjustment. Now, let's customize your circle. In the Effect Controls panel, you can easily adjust the radius to change its size and center to reposition it precisely. You can also modify the color of the circle and add feather to soften its edges. Don't forget to explore the blend mode options, like multiply or screen, to achieve various creative looks and integrate the circle seamlessly with your footage. For more dynamic results, utilize keyframes in the Effect Controls panel to animate your circle. You can make it grow, shrink, move across the screen, or even change color over a specific duration. Consider layering the circle effect with other video effects, such as Gaussian blur or drop shadow, to create even more intricate and visually appealing compositions. Finally, export your polished video to showcase your unique circular designs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.